by GemX, California, USA. The PiNetwork community is buzzing with excitement as their founders, Nicolas and Chengdiao Fan, announce a major preparation that is set to revolutionize the cryptocurrency landscape. These visionary founders aren't merely twiddling their thumbs at their California headquarters. They are diligently laying the groundwork to propel PiNetwork to the next level. Nicolas, a technical savant, has been at the helm of PiNetwork's development with unwavering dedication. Alongside his partner, Chengdiao Fan, renowned for his prowess in technological innovation, they have forged a formidable team committed to elevating PiNetwork to the pinnacle of success. PiNetwork, with its revolutionary human mining approach, has sent ripples through the cryptocurrency world. By granting access to anyone to engage in crypto without the need for substantial investment or expensive equipment, PiNetwork has captured the attention of millions worldwide. The news of the impending major development has sent the PiNetwork community into a frenzy of anticipation. Crypto enthusiasts from around the globe are eagerly awaiting to see what Nicolas, with their robust background and tireless dedication. There is little doubt that the significant strides to be taken by PiNetwork will reverberate throughout the cryptosphere. As we await the official announcement, let's brace ourselves to usher in a new era in cryptocurrency alongside PiNetwork. Undoubtedly, Nicolas and Chengdiao Fan have steered PiNetwork into a project worth noting. However, their journey hasn't been without its challenges. They've faced an array of hurdles along the way, from technical glitches to skepticism from some quarters within the cryptocurrency industry. Those who haven't mined PiCoin, download it now nevertheless. The success of PiNetwork cannot be ignored. With over 20 million registered users and counting, PiNetwork has proven to be a force to be reckoned with in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. A key factor in PiNetwork's success is their inclusive approach to crypto mining. As a platform that embraces the concept of human mining, PiNetwork enables anyone, regardless of background or technical expertise, to participate in the mining process without the need for expensive equipment or in-depth technical knowledge, resources that we can enjoy. Now, with the announcement of their major preparations, many PiNetwork users are gearing up to see what unfolds next. Some speculate about the launch of new features, while others hope for integration with other platforms or the development of exciting new products. Nevertheless, one thing is certain. The significant strides to be taken by Nicolas and Chengdiao Fan will have a profound impact on the future of PiNetwork and the cryptocurrency world at large. Hence, it's no surprise that the PiNetwork community is so excited and optimistic about their future. With dedicated founders, a strong vision, and the support of millions worldwide, PiNetwork is poised for even greater success. As time unfolds, we'll witness how PiNetwork continues to grow and evolve, proving that Nicolas and Chengdiao Fan's initial vision to create an inclusive and accessible cryptocurrency platform is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.